In this video, I'll guide you through how to increase your daily transaction limit on RBC Royal Bank. Whether you're preparing for a big purchase or simply want more flexibility with your finances, adjusting your daily transaction limit can be a helpful tool. Let's dive into the steps to make this change easily through the RBC mobile app. To begin, open the RBC mobile app on your device and sign in to your account. Make sure you have a secure internet connection to ensure a smooth process. Once you're logged in, navigate to the main menu where you'll find a list of your accounts. Select the specific account for which you want to change the transaction limit. This could be your checking account, savings account, or any other account you have with RBC. Once you've selected the account, look for the details option on the account page. Tapping this will provide you with more information about your account, including your current transaction limits. Here, you'll want to select Daily Transaction Limits to get an overview of what your current limits are. This section is crucial because it provides a clear picture of your existing boundaries and helps you decide on the new limit that suits your needs. Now, to initiate the change, tap the edit icon next to the transaction limits. This step opens up the option to modify your daily limits. Carefully enter your new preferred limit, keeping in mind your anticipated spending needs and ensuring it aligns with your financial goals. Once you've entered the desired limit, don't forget to save the changes. This step is essential to ensure that your new limit is properly set and updated in the system. After you save the changes, the app will confirm your new transaction limit. It's a good idea to double check that everything appears as expected. Once confirmed, your updated daily transaction limit will be applied to your account, giving you the flexibility you need for your financial transactions. And that's how to increase your daily transaction limit on RBC Royal Bank. By following these steps, you can easily adjust your limits to better suit your needs. Remember, managing your transaction limits is a smart way to maintain control over your finances while ensuring you have access to funds when you need them. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips.